morning, fifth grade. This is your work for Friday, April the 17th, and we are off to a great start today. I hope that you are off to a great start. Go with me to page 604 to page 604. Lesson 92, we're going to divide by two-digit numbers. In this lesson, we're going to begin by dividing two-digit numbers. Dividing by two-digit numbers is necessary to solve problems like the following. 144 players signed up for soccer. If the players are separated into 12 equal teams, how many players will be on each team? When we divide by a two-digit number, we continue to follow the 4 steps of division. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat if necessary. When we divide by two-digit numbers, the divide step takes a little more thought because we have not memorized the two-digit multiplication facts. So that will be a challenge sometimes, but it's not as hard. So I'm going to show you some tips here. Again, step 1, I'm going to write it here on the board. Step 1 is to divide. Next is multiply. Next is subtract, next is bring down, and then repeat if necessary. Okay, so example 1, 150 divided by 12 is 1. We're going to divide here, or we're going to subtract. 15 minus 12 is 13. Bring down the 0. 30 divided by 12 is what? Okay, if you look here, if you're not sure of the answer, we may need to try more than once to find the number of 12s and 30s. So we can think to ourselves, 12 goes into 30, 2 times 12 is 24, 30 minus 24 is 6. So my answer would be 12 remainder is 6. I can check this by multiplying 12 times 12 and then adding the remainder. 12 times 12 is 144 plus, 6 is 150. So my answer is correct. 12 remainder 6 is correct. All right, let's look at the next example here. Example 2, divide 32 by 986. Okay, 986 divided by 32. Okay, so here we have fifth graders. Sorry, it's 987. Okay, here we have a problem that seems more complex. I feel like you might feel like it's a little more complex just because you might think, well, how am I going to know what 32? You don't know your 32 multiplication tables, right? So you might think it's a little harder here, but we begin by breaking down the division into smaller problems, smaller division problems. 98 divided by 32. Instead of thinking how many 32s are in 98, we can use the first digit trick thing, and think how many 3s, this one right here, are in 9s, okay? Think to yourself, how many 3s are in 9s? Okay, there's 3 3s and 9s. So you can automatically think here, we try 3 as the answer here. So let's look at 3 here. Okay, 3 times 32 would give you what? Okay, 3 times 32, and I'm going to do it here. You can do this on your paper if you'd like. It's 96, so I'm going to write 96 here. Okay, 98 minus 96 is 2. Bring down the 7. Okay. Here we have the 7 then, and there's we have 27. We're going to repeat 27 divided by 32. Can I divide that? No, I can't. So I must put in a 0 here and multiply. 30 times 32 is 0, or 0 times 32 is 0. And then my answer is 27 here. My remainder would be 27. All right, so it doesn't necessarily have to be that you have to, get an exact answer. If there's a large remainder like that, then, it's going to be okay. All right, so then you can check this by multiplying 32 by 30. Here I put my 0. 2 times 3 is 6, and here's 96. So here I get 960 plus, oh, sorry, I don't know why I'm circling that. Plus remainder, 27. Okay, 0 plus 7 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 9. 987, 30 remainder, 27 is correct. Next one here, example 3. Example 3, Loma Vista School expects an enrollment of 868 students. The principal wants to have about 24 students and 1 teacher per classroom. About how many teachers are needed for the students in Loma Vista High School? So here we have an estimated problem, an estimated answer here that we're going to have. I can round 868 up to 865 or 875. So we're going to do 875. I could round that to that, or let's see, 875. Lost my place here. 800 by sorry, I lost my place here and lost my train of thought. I had some students walk by here. What we can do here is divide 875 by how many students? We can round 25 or 24 to 25. Okay, so think to yourself, how many times does 2 go into 8 here? Okay, it goes in 4 times. However, what I want you to see here is 875 divided by 25 would be here. You can think to yourself, 25 times 3 times 3 would give you 75. Okay, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. Here we have that. And 125 we bring down to 5. Okay, 125 divided by 25 is what? Is 5. Very good. Okay, 5 times 25 is 125. I have no remainder. So my answer is 35. You can check this by multiplying 35 times 25 if you'd like. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. Okay, then put a 0 here. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7. Okay, add these up. 5, 7, and 8. 875 is your answer. So 35 is correct. Okay, what you're going to do today for math is you're going to do problems, written practice 1 through 30 today for math. Alrighty, I hope you have a great day. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.